Hey guys, how's it going? And welcome to London. As you can see out the back of me, we're actually 44 floors up on the Shard. We're staying at the Shangri-La in London, and you can't see out because we are literally in the clouds. So I was hoping to have a bit of a backdrop of London behind us, but unfortunately the weather's beating us on that. But let me give you an update on the car and what this video is all about. So as you know, I bought the Aston Martin Rapide, which is the cheapest Aston Martin in the world. Cheapest Rapide by far, but cheapest Aston Martin in the world as well. And in the last video, we picked it up and we took it back to the workshop and we went over it while it was on the lift, so we could actually have a look at it from underneath. And there was a couple of surprises, but on the whole, it didn't look as bad as what it initially looked like when I went to look at it first time round. And I then got a call. I was speaking to a friend of mine who's also in Saudi Arabia, and he said, "Look, I've heard that there's another Rapide that's available that might be a good parts car." And I got some photographs that came in, and sure enough, it actually looks like it's a good contender. It's not the type of car that can be repaired by itself because of all the damage, but there are a lot of parts on the car that we can take off, which would basically be the type of parts that we would need for our car. We sort of had to make about 12 phone calls to try and track this car down, managed to trace it down, and what you're going to see next is the trip of me going over there to actually have a look at the car and see if it's any good. And there's a bit of a spoiler alert, it's actually pretty good. Basically this guy is going to take us to the second Aston Martin Rapide, and and then I'll be able to check it out and see what it's like. But it's looking quite promising. It's not perfect, but it is looking very promising, so let's just wait and see. Mentioning that, I actually don't know where we're going because I told him to send me the location. He sent me the location for some other place, and now I'm following him. And the thing is, I don't speak much Arabic. He doesn't speak any English, so this could end in many different ways. But let's just hope he's taking me to the right place and he knows that we want to see this car. So you can see from this angle a little bit more of London behind us, but literally the cloud is so thick we can't actually see anything. But you know, we had better views for the last couple of days, but unfortunately today the view is not that great. But anyhow, so let me know in the comment section below what you think of this car. I can buy it, and it's a pretty reasonable price, particularly when you consider the parts that we would be able to get from the car. But as you can see, it's not perfect in itself. It doesn't solve all of our problems, but it certainly solves a lot of them. So I'm seriously considering it, but I'm not 100% sure. So for those of you who may have a better idea, let me know what you think. Should I buy this car or not? We can certainly take a lot of parts from it. And all right guys, so that's a wrap. We're going to finish it off there. We're going to be back at the workshop next week to have a look at the car and try and actually start it up. But if you like the video, then do click like, subscribe to our channel so you can keep up to date with all the progress on the car itself, and look forward to sharing that all with you in the next video. But let's have a look and see all the error messages. So bonnet open, yes we know. Passenger door open, which is the front passenger. Left, yep, that's unlatched. Engine coolant level low, yep, the hose was out. Tyre system fault, no kidding. Check tyres, yep, I think we know that one. Now this was something, the airbag light wasn't expecting that, but maybe it just needs resetting. And then we're back around again. So all in all, not bad, but we haven't started.